Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about gratitude. First, let's be real. Gratitude isn't a feeling that you can magically feel just because I ask you to and say it's good for your mental health. Gratitude can escape us sometimes, and it's a practice. And it's going to take a little effort if you've never practiced it before. But I can say from my own perspective that it's a practice worth doing. And research does suggest that regularly practicing mindfulness can be really good for your mental health and drastically improve your mood. So don't just take my experience and word for it. Science is backing me up here. So to be clear, gratitude is not easy for some, and it's a practice to begin with. But that's why I want to do this video, to help you get started. So all you need for this exercise is a pen and a piece of paper. Once you have those, what I want you to do is start thinking about anything at all that you feel grateful for. What we're aiming for here is to get at least 5 things down on that piece of paper. These can be big things or small things. These can be people or objects or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's just anything that you're grateful to have that you would rather keep having than not have. At this point, if you are struggling, that's okay. If anything, that's good. It means you need this practice. Gratitude is like a muscle. So if we haven't practiced it in a long time, the muscle can be really weak and it can be really hard to find even one thing we feel grateful for. It's basically like going to the gym and trying to lift weights for the first time. It's really hard. But that's exactly why we need to be at the gratitude gym. So really exercise that gratitude muscle. Look around you. What are you happy to have that you would rather keep having than not have? That's exercising that muscle, and I guarantee you the more you exercise that gratitude muscle, the easier it is to lift those weights. So if you need to, pause this video and press play once you've identified at least 5 things that you're grateful for and have written them down on that piece of paper. Great, good work. So you've been to the gratitude gym and you've practiced and exercised that gratitude muscle just this once. Now what we need to do is start practicing this daily. And research recommends that we need to practice this daily for at least 3 months. What this helps with is that the gratitude muscle becomes really strong, really well exercised, so that even after 3 months when we've stopped practicing, the gratitude as a practice or as a skill that we have in our minds becomes automatic and habitual. To help you with getting into the habit of doing this every day for 3 months, what I recommend you to do is to practice this at the same time every day, and ideally to tie it to a task that you know you're going to do every day. This will help you remember to practice gratitude and to not forget. So for an example, you might want to practice gratitude every day after your dinner because you know you're going to eat your dinner every day. What happens really quickly after a couple of days is that every time you finish your dinner, you remember, now I need to practice gratitude. That helps you not forget. So another thing that might help actually is a gratitude notebook, or you can download a free gratitude app on your phone, and that can keep all the things you're grateful for together in one place. Consider this an experiment. It's a 3-month experiment. It's long, but consider it an experiment. And after 3 months, check in on your progress. I think you might be quite amazed at the difference this simple technique can offer in terms of building and growing your mental health. It's a really good skill to have to get you through good times and bad times. So let me know. What are you grateful for? If you want to reply in the comments below, please do. And feel free to share this if you think it might be useful for other people. Take care and talk to you soon.